Hi, Cookie.
Hi, can I have a cookie?
Yeah.
Look at it, makes my tail go.
I see that. It's really cute.
So, what's up?
Well, you know, we're taking pictures and doing video, and we're going to have to find you a home.
Do you think you will?
I do.
Oh, good. You see my collar you just put on me? It says Queen.
Oh, let's see. Here, you take that. Let's see your collar.
It says Queen, and there's a little crown.
Whoa.
Pretty snazzy, isn't it?
You are snazzy.
Maybe I'll be able to keep that. That's probably the nicest thing that I've ever gotten.
Well, it may be. That could be true.
So...
Well, you're a great dog.
I am.
Ooh.
And I'm very pretty.
Yes.
And I'm solid.
You're solid.
I'm solid.
You're a solid girl.
Cookie.
Well, you know, it's good to be a nice, solid, full-figured woman.
Yes, that is what I am. So, I like stuff and things and other things.
You are so silly.
I know. And so find me a home that has stuff and things.
And cookies?
And cookies.
Yay!
Yay! See you later.
Okay, bye-bye.